Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use your Boots Advantage card online when shopping. First, go to the Boots website or open the Boots mobile app. Search for the products you want to buy and add them to your cart. Once you've added all your items, go to your cart. You'll see an option for Advantage Card. Make sure you're signed in to your Boots account. That's linked to your Advantage Card. Click Checkout. When you reach the payment section, you'll see an option to redeem your Advantage Card points. Select the number of points you want to use, then complete your purchase. And that's it. That's how to use your Boots Advantage card online when shopping. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.